Apoloka na lende mada apoloka papaya no puponya bobi apoloka kusi obodo ni neteleo big baba ni mani wedi no.
Good morning, my in-law.
Apoloka, how are you?
I'm not fine.
You are not fine. Why? What is it?
Come.
Apoloka, you want me to come to you with the Ijinaka, Esembia?
This is not for you. Just come.
Okay. Renonce.
Some people in this village want to take away food from my table.
Why? Who is that?
And I can't let that happen.
Who does that? Who are they?
Igwe and his cabinet. They say that you stop taking tasks from the market traders. That they have given the contract to another person. And I know you are one of the Igwe's cabinet.
Okay, you are right. I'm one of the Igwe's cabinet. I am a member of the cabinet. But you see, the day they took this decision, I was not at the meeting. I did not attend the meeting that day.
I don't care if you are there or not. But I want to give you a message for the Igwe and his cabinet.
I will deliver the message.
Go and tell Igwe that I won't let that happen. Unless he wants war. I'm going to make this community unbearable for everyone. I'm going to do something very stupid.
Don't do anything stupid. I will tell you. Don't do anything stupid. I told Igwe this. I said it. Igwe and the other cabinet members refused to listen to me. Now say it. Let's wait and see what happens. Let him go far before I start going. Now, I'm going to yeah, I have a banana at Bakuyanani.
Osondu, we can't continue like this. Osondu, we can't fold our arms and watch that stupid youth copper useless our girls and loved ones in this village. No, that cannot happen.
What is that his name again?
It's not Copper James. See, Osondu. We need to treat that guy for up. We need to fuck that guy up. We need to let him know that this village is not for him. Before he breaks our hand and collect all the girls in this village. You know it's not before me.
Well, see, I don't have anything to say for now. Okay? Until he gets close to my sister. Of course, I know my sister too well. She won't condescend so low to his clan.
Oh, no. Wait. Osondu. Come legit info. Let me tell you something that you don't know. Your sister is his first lady. Oh, Emono Makanka, you don't even know about this one. She goes to his house every day by day. Morning, afternoon, and night. Oh, you don't Emono. You're not aware. The only thing remaining now is for her to pack her things, pack her clothes from there, even without your consent, and take it to his house and start living with him. Nyabo, Ogwaju, Omabulungongwi, Omabula, Kwenifeni, Jeben, and Konya Jebili. Are you not aware?
Guy, I don't like what I hate. See, I don't like this nonsense. Stop damaging my sister's name. What's your problem? Huh? I know my sister, okay? I know what she can do and what she cannot do. So stop talking nonsense about her. Why are you saying all these things?
Osondu, if only you can understand what I'm saying. If only you have seen what I've been seeing in your sister and that stupid copper, you won't be saying all these things you are saying. Osondo, if that guy happens to be a vampire, now your sister will be his first victim. Now, listen to what you don't know now. I have been monitoring him since he came to this village. And I've been seeing how girls have been trooping into his lodge, in and out, in and out. And your sister is the first person to go there and come out every day. You know, and you are here talking this thing, tell me this nonsense. Even when you are not aware.
Guys, stop this! What did they work yourself? Huh? I've told you, I know my sister. I know my sister, for God's sake. What's the problem? Can you not make yourself? Huh?
There is no problem.
Stop denting my sister's name. Now what for you? What you have him now? What did they work yourself?
Osondo, listen to me and listen very carefully. If you like, believe what I'm telling you. If you like, don't. What I just told you now is the final. If you like, believe me or you leave it. One neck one in a cook of James, he still sleeps with Copper James every day. It's high time we opened our eyes and stop all this nonsense. Oh, no. What are you talking about, Osondo? Ichokonya Bajeka and collect the things we use here just weekend over there. Ichokonya Balaka. Omame. Also, you want to over there. You are Madam Miaka.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Nineteen, 20.
Oh.
Yes, uncle.
Go inside. Go shift. Rose, I want to ask you this question again. All these things I said to you, are they by any chance true?
I don't know.
Rose, I ask you again. Are you dating that stranger?
Which stranger?
Rose, don't pretend to me. Don't pretend like you don't know what I'm talking about. Huh? I said, are you dating that stupid copper? What is that his name? James.
Osondo, I'm an adult. I have my life to live. I have the right to date anybody.
Ah. So, in other words, it's true. Huh? So it's true. Rose, so you want to tell me that you don't know that you are an investment in this house? Huh? That you don't know that you are a big asset and you should be mingling with big guys? Huh? Guys, Junko. Huh? It is that stupid copper, that useless copper that you choose to mingle with.
He's not stupid. He's more brilliant than you.
What a... Rose, wait. So, you are now abusing me? Because of stupid copper? Now, Itogo, you've grown. No, you've now grown so big that you are now abusing me. Huh? Huh? So Itogo now. No, you've grown now. Huh? You are abusing me. Rose. So you have gone too big in this house, eh? Rose, you've grown, eh? Grown. Mama, ask this stupid girl here. Ask her what she did.
What did she do? And you, what did you do?
Mama, I did not do anything.
Oh, so you don't want to say the truth? Eh? Rose, you don't want to say the truth? Mama, can you imagine Rose? Eh? Can you imagine this stupid girl? Our show investment with no collateral, no as a man, no picker. Can you imagine the man that Rose chose to pick? Come be copper. Eh? Copper that is finding it difficult to even feed. Ordinary government, someone serving the government that cannot even afford to feed himself. Eh? Eh? Rose, you want to cast? Eh? You don't know your investment. Hey.
It's okay. It's okay, my dear. My son, just calm down. Let's get to the house, okay? We're on the road. Eh? Whatever it is, when we get to the house, we'll sort it.
Mama,
eh?
you better talk to her.
Please, let's go. We're on the road. People will laugh
at
us.
You want to cast, ba? You want to cast? I will help you to cast yourself. I will choose the way I will cast you. Okay.
It's okay, please, let's go.
And you want to talk
what did you do?
Imagine ordinary stupid copper.
You better not do anything.
Stupid copper.
You every day you did not do anything. Yet you're doing. Eh? Hey. He's not doing anything like he's chasing you like he wants to cut off your head. People should not disgrace me in this village.
Sorry. Devil is a liar. Yes. Back to sender. Any man that is doing this, back to sender.
Pontus.
Chief.
Go back to your duty post.
Okay, Chief. Okay, sir.
Sorry. Now come. No. Come. Go in there. That is not so strong. Hey.
Madam, na ready akanazo. Ready wa.
Pontus, mind the duty post.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Hey.
Papa, all is not well in that family. How can they be falling sick one after the other?
So Ifeanyi has been unconscious for the past 2 days. And Williams refused to call me to tell me what had been happening in his house.
Abaliye.
Okay.
But that baffles me a lot. Chef was not like that before. Or is he hiding something from us?
A matter of life and death is too expensive to hide from people. Even if he wants to hide it, not to his relations.
Okay. Has he regained consciousness?
I wouldn't know. In fact, she told me that she will call her daughter as soon as she gets home. That's what she told me.
Why is William behaving like this?
I don't know.
I don't understand this. Hey. No problem. Nothing will happen to him.
Amen.
He will be alright.
Amen.
Fine.
Okay, you just even rush me. Can't even pray.
Did you pray?
I prayed inside my mind.
Big hit.
Enjoying it.
Babe, who cooked this soup? Are you sure you're the one that cooked it?
Yes, I did myself. What? Why are you asking?
Because this soup doesn't taste like one that cooked by a man.
Excuse me? Are you in any way insinuating I didn't prepare this soup myself? Oh, no, you want to tell me a woman cooked this soup? Listen, let me tell you, I'm a good cook, okay? I prepared this soup myself, alright?
Okay.
Okay, you think I'm like all those your brothers in there. What happened yesterday? You didn't come as you promised.
I'm sorry I didn't come back yesterday. Just that the sea was rough.
Huh? Well, I don't understand. What do you mean by the sea is rough?
My mother tied me down with a lot of chores.
And you decided to keep me waiting.
I'm sorry, but I'm here.
Yeah.
Wait, let me feed you.
Huh? Feed who? Do I look like a baby? Oh, no. You didn't see meat to give me to feed me. Huh?
Give me dog.
Yeah, I've seen it. I'll have to consult my father. No, it was well written, but the thing is, I'm not the MD. My father is the MD, so I'm just the GM. I'll have to consult my father. Yeah, come in. Okay. I'll just call you back. Alright, thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
These are the files you asked me to bring to you.
Okay, I'll look at them and call you. Alright?
Do you need any other thing, sir?
No, I don't. If I do, I'll call you. I'll give you a call.
So you're alright? You sure you're okay?
Call the driver for me.
Sir, what is it?
Call the driver for me!
Somebody here!
Madam! Over! Madam! I don't know.
What is it?
I don't know what they're doing that being here.
What's wrong with you?
I don't know.
Where is he?
He's there for living room.
Is my husband around?
He's not there.
What? Destiny! Baby. Destiny! That is boy! Mommy's back. Open your eyes. Destiny. What is this? What happened to him?
I don't know. I leave my head and play the room around. So I think I check on the kitchen. I come back in like that for you. Don't see like that. I don't buy anything again. No.
Baby! Destiny! Is she around?
No, he didn't go missing. Their house.
How long ago was this?
He don't take small. I got the shots for you. Nobody wants. Nobody go ahead.
Destiny, please. Baby, open your eyes. Don't make mommy sad. Please. I'm really scared right now.
Taxi! Go taxi, please! Go taxi!
Baby, I was trying to reach you. You need to... Hello? No. It must be your husband. Yes, ma'am. Your husband is admitted in the hospital. What? The doctor said he needed your presence immediately. Oh my God! Where? What hospital? Dear God, I'm coming! Okay, ma. Thank you. Where is the person?
Run there, go! One problem to the other. No happiness for my family. Today we happy, tomorrow we cry. Apoloka na lunde mada. Apoloka papaya no puponya bobi. Apoloka Apoloka kusia podo ni neteleo. Apoloka di mabanyi mani wedi anopio. Apoloka imana apoloka na londe mada apoloka. Apoloka papa ya na poponya pobino. Apoloka potilo podo ni nana pono.
Can I magic go on? Kevin, what is that?
Mazudez. As you can see, Umo Kombi are on their way to your house.
I hope all is well.
If all is well, how can a cat visit a rat's meeting?
Bikochelo, who is the cat and who is the rat?
On a mass working. No, a mass working now. Because you won't go so.
Mazi, you are now the new appointee to be collecting the trader's task, Abi?
Yes, of course. Any problem?
So, Mazi, it you less. You did not ask position before collecting that post. You don't fuck up.
Big one. Fuck up. Based on Kenny.
Mazi, you know say you know the fear face and you know the value your age. You look this kind face, and you dey ask am based on Kenny. Mazi, you went and collect that post without proper investigation. Mazi, you don't fuck up. And that post is our birthright.
Excuse me. Who made it? Your birthright.
Everybody in this village knows our birthright. Listen. It's our birthright. In Anuya, we don't do government work. So collecting that tax is our birthright. It's our government work. So as you know now, Mazi, stay clear.
I didn't collect any job from you guys. The community single-handedly gave the job to me. Do you understand? Because you guys were not doing well.
Mazi, you know high tension is deadly. Other than way. Amara, that is why it is placed high. We cannot take away what belongs to us.
The stomach is not afraid. That is why it's always in front. Half Amobo. My name is Udeze or Baraji. This
man game.
Una Accusations. Hey! Obro threat o. Obro threat.
Mazi say.
Unu mess. Una Accusations. Anari.
Now, you want to war. Mazi, don't see. Oh, you see, come teach Mazi now. Who is Mazi now?
Accusations.
Hey! Abuka.
So, Mazi feels he can battle with Umo Kombi. No, brother.
Who is Mazi? Mazi, who is it?
Okay.
Abruka, let me tear this man into pieces now. I'm talking saying Mazu Udeze now. Listen Udeze na Israeli designers. Ne easy both can.
Don't worry. Let's give him a chance. Let's see if he will repent. Everybody.
Who is man?
Where are my children?
Chief, you have to calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. My daughter-in-law and my house are outside crying, and you are here telling me to calm down? Calm down for what?
Chief, please. The tempo you are now is not good for your health, and you know that. Please sit.
I will not sit. Doctor, I want to see my sons. Take me to where they are now.
I'm sorry, Chief. You can't see them now due to medical reasons. Please sit. I expected you to understand things. You are an elderly man. And a chief for that matter. Please understand and sit. Let's talk things out.
Okay, I will sit.
Doctor, why are you silent? You are not talking to me. You told me to sit down so that we'll talk. Talk to me. Are my children dead? Take me to where they are. I want to see them now. Talk to me, doctor. Don't tell me to calm down.
After you.
Please leave my way. There is an emergency.
Is that why you're crying? Tell me the truth. Did anyone beat you? Let me devour the person like a lion.
I said leave my way! There is an emergency! Can't you hear me? Leave my way!
Abulka. Your woman is in pain. She is in pain. It be like a person died for their household. Hey. What do you want to be?
Whatever. We'll find out.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Mazu days, eh? That man get mine.
Mama. Rose. Why are you people crying? Huh? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Talk to me now. What is it? Eh? What happened? Somebody should talk to me now.
Your sister's husband and her son.
My sister and her son. What happened? What happened now? Talk to me now. You people are making me crazy.
Sister just called. She said the two of them are very sick. That the chance of them surviving is very tiny.
Why my sister? God, why? Please don't make my sister a widow and childless. She has suffered so much in that marriage.
6 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not 6 days, no. God, 6 years is not 6 days. 6 years of childlessness.
It's okay.
Oh God.
Mama, stop crying, okay?
Hey, God, where are you? Where are you? Do not allow my enemies to laugh at me.
Mama, it's okay. See, they will be fine. Nothing will happen to them. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. She'll be fine.
What is wrong with Williams? His phone is ringing, he's not picking it.
Why not call Queen? Call Queen.
You are right. Her phone is switched off.
I hope there's no problem.
Chiso,
Papa.
when you spoke with her, did she tell you that they are dead?
No, but the way she sounded over the phone states otherwise. I tried to calm her down to ask more questions, but she hung.
Hi. Chiso, were there kind of noise in the background? I mean, were you hearing any crying?
No, the background was a bit noisy. I could barely hear her. I only managed to hear when she said her husband and son are dying.
Dying what?
Yes.
Hey!
Eh? Williams, pick you up. What is all? Pick your calls now. What is going on? Why is he not picking his calls?
Soon I continue to call him. Call him. Considering the situation on ground, he might not pick. Please. The old man is under pressure right now. Please. Keep calling him until he picks. Pico.
Williams, pick your calls now. Then you're going to have an attack. Don't get one attack. What is all this? Let these people not kill me with heart attack.
But my mother, God, I want to praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Amen. What's happening?
Hey!
What's happened?
He has done for me. He has done for me. He has done for me. He has done what my mother cannot do. He has done what my mother cannot do. He has done oh my word, oh my word. He has done for me. Oh my word. He has done for me. Oh my word. He has done for me. He has done what my mother cannot do. He has done what my mother cannot do. He has
That is waste. Why would they dance? You never tell me anything. Abi, you want to do me waiting if you do Adam. The man go chop apple without knowing the source of the apple.
Make we dey praise God. You see this I go give you. Oh my word, oh my word, oh my word.
Calm down. Be calming down. See, let me tell you, my name, my beautiful name na Pontius.
I know.
No be Adam. You can't deceive me. See, if you want make I follow you jubilate, you go first gist me. Make I know the kind dance step where I go use. You know, so they get different dance step for every event. Burial and wedding, no be the same dance step you supposed to use.
Not true. Make a bust your bubble.
Bust them.
Make a scatter your head.
Scatter them.
Make a tingle your head.
Tingle them.
Madam just called me. Yes. She say, small oga and the son, then don't wake up. Wait, never jubilate. You know, ain't for them. There are two. Don't they talk safe? He has done for me. He has done for me. He has done for me. He has done what my mother cannot do. He has done what my mother cannot do. He has done for me. Oh my mother. He has done for me. What my mother cannot do. He has done for me.
Small of that ask of me.
Not only you ask of. Your whole community Yes, of them. In fact, your ancestor. Yes, of them. I better not spoil my mood this morning. Not just spoil them. Sadina, I did for good mood. Make her dance my dance, enjoy, praise my God. Oh my God!
Listen, nobody do something. Now just talk. I talk now. I can't go find ask you this question. Huh? Anybody to insult me? Now just talk. I talk. Now just talk where I talk. After I never even carry gun, they ask you this thing. Huh? Oh my word!
I called you people out here to inform you that first thing tomorrow morning, I'll be going to the city.
But why? Did your brother invite you?
No, he didn't invite me. But there is this saying that an old man will not sit at home and allow a goat deliver in thither. So my brother mustn't invite me before I go to see what is happening in his family.
I know, Nine. Just that the visit is so impromptu. Huh?
Machiso, when we are looking for a black goat, you look for it when it's still day and bright. Because when it's dark, it will be hard to find it. I need to go and see my brother's family. I really don't understand what is going on there.
Papa, when you get to the city, greet Nabi here for me, including Brother Ifeanyi and his wife, Auntie Queen.
It's okay. I will greet everybody for you.
Okay.
She's my daughter.
Papa.
I want you to respect yourself, as I will not be at home. I don't want you to give your mother a headache. I don't want to come back and start hearing strange stories about you. Did you hear me?
Yes, Papa. Trust me.
Nine. When are you coming back?
Imagine so. Allow me to go there first now. I'm not going to the city and ask you when I'm coming back. Or have you started missing?
Papa, let me go and sweep the compound.
Oh yeah, go, my daughter.
So, my regards to all of them when you get to the city.
Now you are talking. Now we greet them for you. They will hear. Don't worry.
I will be lonely.
I know, but just take care of you at the house.
Also, now that the truth has prevailed, what's the way forward?
Guy, you need to calm down, okay? I am still investigating this case. So calm down.
Osondo, can you investigate? What are you investigating? What are you still investigating, Osondo? Or is it until he gets your sister pregnant? On board of one day one, you make him a porno. Marry he gave in a witness investigating. What are you investigating?
Gunna, you know me. Gunna, you know me, I don't take nonsense. I don't take bullshit. I don't take nonsense. If I eventually find out that that guy is dating my sister, my investment, one picture, one picture for a guy with so much money to come and marry. That stupid cop I want to put sand for my matter. Guy, I see. I will just take knife, cut him prick, give him for mouth. See, calm down. This guy no rich. Don't worry yourself.
Oh, Osondo. Cutting someone's manhood off. Makana one leg because your sister is stepping beyond the boundary.
My investment, guy. My investment. You don't talk my shoe.
Guy, whatever you are talking about, your investment stepped beyond boundary. He got your greener pasture. She went beyond boundary to go and look for what she wants. Will not make you. What if Enweko Sibanya female and he impregnates her? or Nokata or 1 year female impregnates her. Also, the one me figure, man. Tell me what you're going to do.
If he tries it, if that guy tries it, I'll kill person. I'll just kill him. I'll kill my sister Joy. She did Chris. What are you even saying, guy?
Wait.
Guy, what are you saying? Guy, get my sister pregnant. Don't talk.
Kill your sister?
See, I've told you, calm down. Guy, leave this matter from you. Calm down.
Tell me what you're going to do to them. What me figure, man. Just tell me, give me a tips of what you are going to do to them. Or what you is not singing or shooting gun with mouth or putting fish inside the soup with your mouth. Also, tell me what you can do that young man. Can marry figure because Onya Okopa, he's a student. Go start serving Nigeria. He's now serving Nigeria. Tell me what is it you are going to do to him?
Let's leave this discussion for another day. Let's go. Huh? One this matter, man. I'm also saying everything,
Osando, leaving this matter for another day, if we come back next time, we'll start from when we stop and keep talking about this matter.
We're gonna chill. Leave this matter. Let's go. Come on. You know my guy. Come, let's go.
I don't want issue from anybody.
I mustn't say everything, guy. Man, why you look at me for now? The rush talk. You know my man, so still.
Oh no. What about him?
Damn, pondering yourself. Let's go, man.
Yeah,
My investment. Dad, you sat to me. Everything okay?
Yes, sit. I want you to quit your job at the moment.
What? Quit my job? Why?
I'll pay you double of your salary, but I want you to remain at home.
Dad, you can't possibly ask me to quit my job. I have some unfinished project at hand.
Well, I've employed someone a few days ago. You see, my son, a man who does not know when the rain starts wetting him will never know when it stops. I'm concerned about your health. I want you to rest. Be at home until such a time you are fit and proper to work.
Dad, I understand you're concerned about my health, but my absence would affect the company. Remember our competitors, remember we're trying to make it the best in Africa.
I know. The man I employed is so capable. He is a British trained engineer. He will carry on from where you stop. Very effective too.
Dad, just like that? Dad, you're so unpredictable. How can you just ask me to stop work? Just like that?
Well, never mind. You will like it at the end of the day. You will.
What's wrong?
My father just stopped me from working.
Oh.
Yeah. He said he would pay me twice of what I earned from the company, but I have to stay home.
Okay. Well, I hope you didn't argue with him though.
because I can see why he would make such a decision.
Come on, babe. I'm not dying today. I'm not dying anytime soon, am I?
Nobody says you're dying, baby, but your health condition seems to tell us that you're not completely fine. The last time was a bloody scare. You had us... Heck, you still have me petrified. That emergency, if your secretary was not smart enough to have rushed you to the family hospital, I don't even know what story would have on our lips by now.
Babe, look at me. I'm a strong man. Okay? I'm equally very hardworking. My absence from the company would affect it because I'm trying to build legacy here. Staying at home is weird. I'll probably start feeling like I'm one of those house husbands, you know?
What?
Yeah. It's just crazy.
What I know is that you're unfit. You are unfit to run the company now. Just chill.
On whose side are you?
On the side of the truth. This is the goddamn truth. You need to take several seats, my darling.
Yeah.
Sit here with me.
That's right.
Chill for some days.
Okay.
Always. I'll take care of you. You know I got you.
Yeah, I know. All right.
Want a drink? Yeah? I'll be back.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bantu! Oh, there you did.
I'm right behind you.
Food already. Food don't land.
This one why I don't even get appetite to eat. Okay. Bring it, let me see what you have. Make I see what you bring come.
See lizard and a muzzle pool. Make I say you don't get appetite. I better see food chop.
Wagahu wagaha. Wagahu wagaha. Gladys, you sure say na my food be this?
I know it's in the shocking. That the chicken will big with inside. See, I know when I put them, I purposely put them because they get fever while I won't ask.
Okay. Favor. Okay. You can ask me for any favor. But you see, my salary, avoid them. Avoid them completely. No ask me anything concerning money. Because as me and you stand there, they talk so, I just suffer from money giving phobia. Oh yes.
Money giving phobia. Which one be that one? I bet get aside. See, maybe you have money I come meet you. And something else.
Okay.
See, you get one of my friends who will find me come house.
Okay.
But you know still speak now. I don't think I can get my own room.
Okay.
So I still make I ask you whether you fit use your room.
Whether you fit use my room. Okay. I'm sorry. This your friend. Now boy, I've been a girl.
Oh, now my boyfriend.
Oh, I see.
Yes, you see this guy? Man, I've only dated since primary school. As things been we fit marry.
Oh, that's good. Okay, you know what you have make I think at first. When I chop this food finish, they return the plate for you. I will give you my final answer.
I believe you die. And wait.
Gladys.
Yeah?
Gladys. 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 Wagahu wagaha. Wagahu wagaha. I talk am. I said, this kind of food where this girl bring for me with this chicken, it no dey ordinary at all. But I say, it's all right. It is my turn to shine. It is my turn to shine.
Bullet, I want you to join the moving train. Our broker has lost the job. There's no two ways about it. There's no need of you standing with him to fight me. It's nonsense. Come and join my boys.
Mazi, are you sure of what you're saying? You mean if you're in Agwam now?
Very, very, very sure. I am in charge of market task force. Also, I am in charge of tipper drivers' tickets. If you can agree with me, I will make sure I give you a better position.
Mas, I'm in now. Are they game? So, which position you want to give me now?
You will be in charge of the boys that will be giving tickets to tipper drivers. Yes.
Mas, thank you. Thank you. So, when am I starting work?
I want you to come to my house tomorrow to join the boys. Yes.
I'll be in your house tomorrow.
Yes. I'm rushing to somewhere. Let it be as we discussed.
Okay, man. Okay, man.
Let me find something so that we will go and buy a bottle of beer.
Yeah. Mas 5K?
Yes.
For bottle of beer?
Yes. This is the evidence of me beginning. Let me go where I'm going.
Mas with 5K, I'm go too late. What's for me go too late? Hey! 5K. Mas me tilu garu na. Hey, man, madam, no.
Mr. Fanny, you have to avoid stress. Your BP is high, but with this injection, it will subside. For now, you have to avoid any food that contains sodium. Feel free, don't stress yourself, and do not indulge in any activity that will give you mental stress.
Thank you, doctor. Thanks a lot. But doctor, am I asthmatic? Do I have asthma?
No. You are not asthmatic. Okay, but I don't want to engage you in any discussion now. All you need to do is to rest, okay? Just feel relaxed. Mrs. Ifani, please do ensure that he catches some rest. He needs to sleep at least 8 to 10 hours in a day so that he will be okay.
I'll do that, doctor.
Alright, in that case, I have to be on my way. I will come tomorrow to give him another dose of injection. Meanwhile, I have to be on my way now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you for coming.